Jesse, nice to meet you. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Okay.
So if you want to take inventory, but
I know you could probably get like closer to double what you asked from me. So, do you guys have dietary restrictions by chance?
no.
Okay, so it's time for another used part pickup ride along. As I always say, summer is the season for good deals and warm sunny weather, which is perfect for outdoor meetups. And this one in particular may take the cake for the best deal of the year on the channel. Disclaimer though, the seller is a viewer, so there might be some influence or privilege at play here, but that's not the only reason they're letting go of all these parts for so cheap. There's more to the story of why they need to move everything so quickly, and I'll discuss that more in the car ride over. So yeah, let's head out, but first a quick word from this video sponsor. This video is brought to you by Thunderobot and their Storm 17 gaming laptop. Thunderobot has been in the PC gaming space for well over a decade, building a strong reputation in the global market and recently breaking into the Western market. Built on a barebones chassis from well-respected ODM Clevo and developed in close collaboration with Thunderobot, this laptop is powered by the Intel Core i7-13620H mobile processor paired with dedicated graphics options up to the RTX 5070, delivering serious performance for all your gaming and creative needs. It's equipped with a gorgeous 17.3-inch 2560 by 1440p 165Hz IPS display that produces accurate, vibrant colors, all wrapped in a sleek, thin bezel design. Under the hood, Thunderobot and Clevo designed a cooling solution that keeps the system running plenty cool even under the heaviest workloads. They've also left room for DIY upgrades such as an open second M.2 slot for storage expansion and non-soldered memory for easy swapping, which is always a plus. Use the control center software to fine-tune the system with different performance profiles, customizable fan curves for both the CPU and GPU, and a feature that I really appreciate, Flexi Charger. This allows you to set charging limits to prevent overcharging the battery over long periods of time, preventing degradation and helping extend its overall lifespan. Check out the Storm 17 and other great products Thunderobot has to offer by clicking on the links in the description. Thanks Thunderobot for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back to it.
Vienna 15, how can I help you today?
Hi, can I put in an order for 4 number 1s?
And your name, please.
Danny.
Does pick up in 25 minutes work for you?
Yeah, I think I'll be closer to 30, but that works, yep. If I'm a little bit later, it's because I'm stuck in traffic, but I will be there to pick it up.
Good. I'll see you in a bit, bro.
Alright, sounds good. So this part pickup is actually going to be a bundle of parts. This is actually from a viewer that reached out to me. They had a bunch of parts for sale, and initially when I got the email, I didn't know what to expect. I was just thinking like, oh, they're just probably gonna sell me stuff for, you know, about market values. They got back to me with what they were selling and the price, and it was pretty ridiculous. I'm gonna keep the price from you guys for now. You'll see later on in the video what it is, but I'll tell you what they have for sale. Biggest ticket items are an RTX 4060 Ti, an Intel Arc A750, B550, and a B450 motherboard. 2 separate kits of 32 gigabytes DDR5 memory. One of them 6400.
At the light, press the second from the left lane to turn left onto 100.
But where was I? And then they had a handful of other like peripherals, like a mouse, headset, gaming mat, and things like that. They were moving into a smaller place, so they had to downsize, and they know they could get more money for all this stuff, but since they're a fan of the channel and they knew I was local and I do these deal hunting and picking up parts and stuff like that, they reached out and said that they would be willing to let it go for me for a lot cheaper than what the market value is. I'm making the drive down to Seattle right now. It's rush hour. I'm actually sitting in like stop and go traffic right now, but I think it'll be worth the drive, and because, you know, we had the twins recently, me and Melissa don't get out of the house as much. We don't make our way to like Seattle as often where the good food is. So I'm gonna pick up some sandwiches for me and Melissa, but I also put in an extra order for the seller, kind of like a token of thanks, and just in case they've never heard of the sandwich place before, because this place is one of our favorites, and if they've never had it before, then they're in for a real treat. So the sandwich shop I'm going to is called Un Bien, and that is very fitting of a name for it because the sandwiches are really freaking good. If you're ever visiting the Seattle area, definitely hit up Un Bien. Not sponsored. Hello, pick up for Danny. right, thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right, got the sandwiches. Now let's head out to the meetup. Oh, hello.
Hey, Danny.
Jesse, nice to meet you. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Okay.
So I don't know if you want to take inventory, but
I mean, I trust everything is here. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you, by the
yeah,
way.
nice to meet you. This is my fiance, Kayla.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
Kayla.
meet you.
Okay, let's see if I remembered everything. Yes, then this is the 4060 Ti?
Yep.
And you had mentioned that some of this stuff was like her old parts, so like, did she just get a recent upgrade or something?
Yeah, I got her up to the, I think the NZXT B450.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'm at a 4090 right now.
You had a 4090? Okay, and where are you at?
I'm at a 7900 XTX.
Who had the ARC A750?
The A770 was in like a...
Oh, it's an A770? Oh, I thought I read A750. I had to look at it. But A770, that's even better. But
I had
okay.
it in a PC build, or no, a TV PC. Yeah.
An
Yeah,
HDPC?
lots of
Okay.
building, lots of switching things.
Gotcha.
240 mil.
The 240 AIO, Corsair RGB matte?
Yep,
Yes.
just
And then we-
peripheral.
Okay, and then, yep, this is the case. I will put this actually up front. And then you said the B450 is the one that potentially has a fan header problem.
Yeah, the one on top.
Okay.
I'm not exactly sure.
Okay, I'll check it out, and I'll actually let you know once I test it all and get it all figured out. So,
The Z790, I tried to do the best with the pins I could. Looks okay. But
okay, but you didn't have a processor to test it, or?
No.
Okay, I should have an LG 1700 CPU at home that I could pop in. So yeah, I'll let you know how that goes as well. Did you not like have a use for any of this hardware? Because like SFX stuff, it kind of you could use it later on if you
Yeah.
wanted to build like small form factor again and all of that. Like you didn't want to keep any of this just in case on hand.
No, we're going from a 2-bed to a studio.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just wanna
Are you guys actually in one of these buildings right here?
We're in that building.
And we're downsizing, and so like this is still very much a hobby for us. Like keyboards are a hobby.
Okay.
PC builds are a hobby, but it's just we had a lot of extra things from switching
Yeah.
in and out a
A lot of part
so,
swapping, so I just ended
Yeah.
up with just a ton of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jesse was like, I have too many things.
Uh-huh.
We want to just,
Yeah, just wanna-
you know.
I know you could probably get like closer to double what
Yeah.
what you asked from me. So I appreciate it a lot, and for sure it'll go to good
And
use.
these were mine.
Okay.
And there's nothing wrong with
Okay.
it. It's just I don't know how much you've heard about the G733s. I did start to have, and I think it was an issue with whenever I upgraded the motherboard, it started to interfere, I think, with the dongle. And I have read all over the internet where people have had that issue too.
Okay.
They still work just fine, and if they may just work for somebody, but in my build, it just, yeah.
I didn't have the issues. I really.
Like I said,
You didn't want to use it?
a
No,
motherboard.
I have another pair of headphones.
Okay.
We're definitely much hoarders in this regard too.
Yes.
So that's why we have so many things, and we're like, okay, let's just hand them
I know.
off.
Once we got like the go ahead to start moving,
Uh-huh.
I was like, I gotta.
Have you sold any of your PC stuff though, like prior to this, and like start offloading other things?
When I moved here from Michigan for like a couple years ago, I did. And it was kind of hit or miss. It was a little slow,
Yeah.
but yeah, at this point, I'm just pricing to sell. Just
Right.
trying to get it into someone's hands. I'll enjoy it. This will be kind of the last of the like loose stuff.
You guys have dietary restrictions by chance?
No.
No.
Okay, so the reason I was late actually was because I went to go pick up some sandwiches
Yeah.
from a place that my wife and I loved. Have you guys been to Un Bien?
No.
No.
Okay, so I got you guys each a sandwich as well. So these are
Thank you.
Cuban roast sandwiches.
Ooh,
I'm not
delicious.
sure if you've had them before,
Wait,
but
I had the ones that were like the pork.
yeah,
Is
so,
that the
yep,
same one?
pork
Okay,
with the onions and
the-
lettuce
yes.
and kind of like the baguette.
So good.
So yeah, I picked you guys each up one just because I appreciate
so
what
kind.
what you're doing. So yeah,
Thank
so
you.
here you guys
Well,
go.
thank
Hopefully
you so much.
you haven't had dinner yet, or if you have, just put it in the fridge and you
No,
can just
we
toast it
haven't.
tomorrow.
That
So
Yeah, this will be.
yeah, I appreciate this and I appreciate the support and viewership as well.
I
So
love your content.
yeah, thank you.
Pretty chill. Love seeing the deals you were able to find. Because I picked up the 4090 on Mercury. It was just one of those Dell OEMs, and I loved it just because it wasn't like the triple 3.5 slots.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
nice 2.5 slot card.
So you picked it up on Mercari online.
Yeah.
And you weren't scared about like getting scammed
We
or
were.
anything.
So scared.
Well, like when was this? Because the 4090s right now still even go for more than what they released for.
Last Christmas holidays.
Okay.
About 6-7 months ago.
We were both like, this is gonna come
I was
and
so
it's gonna
nervous.
be.
You seen what people are doing with the 4090s and 5090s, right?
Yeah,
They're like opening them up.
the GPU die.
Yeah, taking out the diodes and the VRAM and stuff. So
Yeah, we were nervous that it was.
Because it was for like a blackout build I wanted to do, and I didn't have all the parts yet, so I had to like wait about a month before I could finally test the card.
oh.
And
That's even worse because
I
then
was
you
sweating.
are beyond the return period
Yeah.
for Macari. Like wow, okay.
I was sweating.
That is risky.
Really took a
Open.
risk, but thankfully. Well, congratulations on your baby.
Thank you. I
Congratulations
appreciate
on your
it.
Continued success with YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you
Safe
want to just
travels.
oh yeah, safe travels. If you just want to send me your PayPal whenever tomorrow.
Oh yeah. I'm so sorry. What are we doing here? We were talking and being so friendly. No, let me pay you right now. Actually,
I didn't even think about that.
I
thought-
forgot. I forgot to pay me. He's like, yeah, you gotta pay me. Okay, yeah. So let me do the PayPal. I'm actually keeping the price a surprise to the viewers to the end of the video. I'm gonna try to have them guess after seeing all this
Yeah.
stuff. 'Cause I don't think they're gonna be able to guess how crazy of a good deal you're giving me. So, all right, sending.
Yeah, there it is.
All right. I'll send you guys the link of the video. Have a great rest of your night. Have a great, holiday weekend coming up and enjoy the sandwiches.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
All right. You guys take care. Yep. Camera's still looking good. And yeah, we were hanging out talking for about like 25 minutes-ish. So, yeah, very, very cool couple. I couldn't get everything super detailed on this camera, so when I get home, I will lay everything out for you to see, and then we'll start testing parts just to see what is good and what may need some troubleshooting and fixing. So here's everything laid out, and I'll go over each item one by one because I definitely forgot that some of these things were part of the bundle when I was talking about them at the start of the video, and some of these things are definitely worth mentioning. So we've got the Yeston 4060 Ti 8GB, and yeah, I don't mind that this is an 8GB card because at the right price, it could be a good deal, and this was definitely at the right price. This is the Intel Arc A770 limited edition ones. Then we've got the 2 kits of memory. So this is the 32GB kit of XPG 6400 CL32. Here's a 2x16 6000 CL32 kit with the mirror finish, and here's the B450M mortar titanium. He was saying this one had the random crashing issues, so I'll see if I can recreate that. But this is one that I forgot to mention in the car ride. This is the ASRock Z790 ITX motherboard. I can definitely use this for a future ITX build, but this is the one that supposedly has the bent pins, which I guess you can kind of see it in the bottom left as a socket there, and a little bit on the kind of the bottom right. He couldn't test it because he had already moved the CPU into the upgraded motherboard and didn't have an extra CPU. I'll see if this was fixed and works. Then we have the B550M Steel Legend, no supposed problems here. We've got the Thermaltake Tough Power SFX 750 watt fully modular power supply. SFX power supply. How did I forget to mention this on the car ride over? This is huge. SFX units go for so much already and is going to be useful for upcoming ITX builds. It should be able to handle most anything thrown at it. But that's kind of like the major hardware side of things. And then here's a bunch of Razer stuff like fan controller hub, RGB hub, extra fans, AIO, Corsair internal USB hub. This is the Razer Tomahawk Mini ITX case. And then the NZXT lift mouse and the Logitech headset. So now I'm gonna start pairing stuff together. There's almost parts for like a full 1.5 builds here, minus like storage. But yeah, I'm gonna start pairing stuff together and testing, especially the problematic parts, to see if I can recreate the issues that they were talking about. So let's do that. So everything has been tested and there seems to be no issues. That's one of the weird things about PCs and like crashing and bugs and stuff like that. Sometimes things just happen randomly, and when you want to force it to happen, it doesn't. And sometimes it's not specifically related to a part, but a combination of certain parts, things like software or the operating system. The Z790 board is stress testing without issues, and the B450 board hasn't crashed at all, even under heavy load with OCCT. And with regards to the G733 headset, I plugged in the dongle to all three motherboards and I hear no static. The sound comes in clean and clear. Now for the price reveal. Let me know down in the comments beforehand how much you think I paid for all of this, because they sold this to me for... I don't think they're gonna be able to guess how crazy of a good deal you're giving me. So $300. And I'll be sure to do friends and family, so there's no fees on that.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
All right, $300. The 4060 Ti alone goes for around $300 on eBay on average. So getting the rest of these parts along with it for only $300 is nuts. Huge thanks again to Jesse and Kayla for this deal. Y'all were a pleasure to meet and talk to. These used part pickup videos have evolved over the years to where now, to me, they're more about highlighting the awesome people in the PC community and capturing the candid conversations that we have is what this series is really all about, in my opinion. And you two were a shining example of that. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. As always, let me know down in the comments below what good deals you guys have been picking up as of late. Also, let me know down there what you were imagining the final price for all of this was gonna be. I really look forward to reading all your guesses. Hope you all enjoyed and found this video either helpful or entertaining in one way or another. I want to thank you all as always for watching and for continuing to support the channel. Shout out to the channel members as always for their above and beyond support. Be safe out there, and I'll see y'all down in the comments as well as next stream and or video. Bye.